Hi my Cola Pops, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your love and your support. If you are new to my channel and you're just stopping by, thank you for stopping by. Please don't be a stranger. Please subscribe to the channel so that you will see when I post a new video. So today I created this bluish teal look for you. It goes well with my hair. I'm on my way to work and wanted to record. So if you're interested to see how I created this tealish blue look, keep watching. If you want to recreate it, again, as I tell you in all of my videos, just slow the video down. If I'm not detailed enough, leave a comment below. If you like the look, leave a comment below. Either way, leave a comment below because I do answer to everyone. And my earring is falling out. Oh well, so it goes. So till next time, I love you and stay blessed. Hi my dolls. Okay, so my face is already moisturized. It's prepped, primed, ready to go. I did my eyebrows off camera. The foundation that I am using is the Born This Way in Chai. It is currently one of my favorites. Now to conceal, I do use two shades in the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. The shades that I use is Warm Beige and Warm Sand. One is just kind of like to conceal and the other one is to brighten. Now as per usual, I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Espresso. If anyone out there knows of a different contour that they like, that they can suggest to me, I will purchase that and I will try it out. Let me know. So I'm setting my foundation with a mercier powder, and now I'm going to go ahead and bronze with my Fenty Beauty in Caramel Cutie. Size of my nose. Now I do bring the bronzer up into my lids just as a transition shade. This is like the perfect transition shade because it is a skin tone color. There we go. Alright, so now moving on to contouring. I'm using the Cover Effects palette just to contour. Also going to use a blush out of that palette. And now it's time for baking. Okay, so I'll be working with my Slush Pallete today, and I will be using this blue first out of the palette, and I won't be doing it the more traditional way I usually go. I'll be working from the bottom. Yeah, from the bottom up. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to pack that blue on my lid. on, and I did bring it out into a wing. It looks very harsh right now, but I'm going to be blending that right out. Okay, so the next color that I'll be adding is this turquoise color from my Celestial Thunder palette. Just looks like that. And now I'm going to be using a blending brush to do that. And I'm just placing the turquoise right where I ended the blue and bringing it up just a tad bit. I don't want blue all over my eyelid. Back in with my Slush palette, and I'll be using let's see something. No, I'll be using this color here. It's lighter blue-ish, I guess. Turn out the brush. Or do I want to add the green? Pause. Let's see. Yeah. I'm going to be adding a green instead. So, this green. And again, just following that same. Maybe where it ends, I just go over it and bring it up a little bit. Blending them all together. So I'm going back in with Caramel Cutie just to clean up, just to make it look a little bit more blended out. I'm not really cleaning anything. There we go. Give it a better transition because I lost, I guess, most of it. Bronzers can be used multi-purpose. I use it to basically do a transition when I don't have a color that I want to use. It's basically your skin tone color. So in my waterline, I'll be using ColourPop in this yellow. And I will be going over that just to seal it a bit with a yellow shadow. Just use anyone, not a big deal. This kind of helps it last longer in the waterline, I find. Okay. Next I'll be using this green from ColourPop. And they're basically gel liners, so You don't have to go heavy-handed, which I'm not. You can see them just gliding it on. Like so. And I will be kind of smudging that out with the turquoise that I used earlier. Then go back into the Slush palette and add a little bit of something. Not sure. We'll see. What brush do I want? Let's just use this one. And this kind of grayish icy color here. I'm gonna bring it in here. And it adds a little bit of dimension. Starting from your tear duct, bring it in. Just work in that socket. I don't like this brush, it's too skinny. I'll use a pencil brush. Oh, that's much better. There we go. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add my mascara. I'll be right back. Yeah, yeah.